And hello there, welcome back to the channel. This is BMWs Are For Lovers, and we love BMWs. Today I'm in my 2000 BMW M Coupe, 5-speed, and I got a brand new camera. Y'all are looking at me right now. And I want to see how it does. I put a mount in here and let's check it out. Let's test it out.
With you, and hopefully, Mother Nature knows now.
I tried another mount, like for my phone, but it was just so, I don't want to always have to use my phone every time I want to record something, and also I tried another way to mount it, and it was really bouncy. So we'll see how it does this time. I got it on a fixed mount right here in between the seats. My car doesn't have back seats, so there's a thing right here that basically separates the trunk from the upper front seats. I'm gonna let my car warm up for a second, and then let's go take a test drive. I'm trying to see, is that the middle? Yeah, it's looking pretty straightforward. So let's go check it out. Oh, maybe I want to move this thing. Do we want to move this thing out of the way? I don't even know how it's up there. That's my grandma, everybody. She keeps me safe when I drive. We seem to be going at a strange angle. I wish I could just turn my radio on and say, let's listen to music. But you will definitely get a copyright for doing that. So, we won't do that. However, it looks like it's videoing pretty well. Let's go do a pull on the open road, and then we'll come back and review the footage. I'm going to be doing some racing up at Langley Speedway, and I want to be able to record it and video it when I'm driving on the track. Also, I got some stuff in my back seat, or my trunk back there right now. This is a naturally aspirated inline-6 engine. It has the Vanos, single Vanos system in it. So basically it has, like what Honda has, VTEC, this has Vanos, which is, wow, look at those! Some cool sports cars over here. Let's go check those out. Look at these things. Nice cars. Nice cars, man. Those were nice, weren't they? Did y'all see them Corvettes? This is the Corvette killer right here, though. 0 to 60 time in 5 seconds flat. This thing is a purebred monster. Anybody coming? Let's rip it. I'm just kidding, I ain't beating no new Corvette anyway. The new Corvettes will smoke. Yeah, they didn't want none of this shit. They didn't want to smoke. I'd have set them bitches back in the Stone Age. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go home now and review the footage and get on my drifting simulator, and I'll be able to get out here and show you guys how to do some fucking donuts. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do no donuts in this thing. Strictly for drag racing. Alright guys, this is BMWs Are For Lovers, and I will see y'all later.